La ONG PETA, Personas por el Trato Ético de los Animales, es la mayor organización por los derechos animales del mundo. Esta ONG suele realizar campañas publicitarias impactantes para concienciar sobre el consumo de carne, como la que realizaron en Navidad para instar a los consumidores a no comprar pavo. Ahora vuelven con otra perturbadora campaña publicitaria, donde nos muestran el proceso de fabricación del bacon y su trato a los cerdos. Con un estilo de animación muy vintage y una canción pegadiza, el anuncio de PETA quiere remover conciencias a aquellos que siguen consumiendo bacon. Vamos a verlo.
Daddy, what do you do for work?
Well, my darling daughters, it's funny you should ask, 'cause I work at the pig farm and we're having a blast. Started off small, but it's gotten out of hand. You might say it's the piggy promised land. Come on, come on, Mama. We got work to do. I'm going to work with my favorite friends. They're cotton candy pink with curly tails on the end. Look at those smiles, see the glint in their eye. You can't believe it when you get to see them fly. We are doing the good work and getting it done. Delicious piggy products for the people's tummy tums. There are people that say that piggies aren't having fun. Maybe they should try a little bacon on a bun. Pig Farm, it's where you get your bacon from. Pig Farm, you don't have to think about a thing. Farm, everything is peachy. It's all piggies and monkeys squealing like banshees. Pig Farm, it's where you get your bacon from. Pig Farm, you don't have to think about a thing. Farm, 'cause these little piggies are just going wee, wee, wee all the way home.